Hey there, future e-commerce stars. Are you just starting out selling online and want to dodge those big mistakes that could sink your business? Well, you are in the right place. I am Hardy from ecomHardy.com, and today I'm sharing some of my biggest mistakes new sellers make, including some I have made myself, so you can skip this pain and start succeeding in e-commerce faster. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, skipping product research. Have you ever thought the product is going to sell like crazy? We all have been there. Just because you love the product doesn't mean the market does. Do your own research. Use the tools like Google Trends, eBay research tool, and Self-Trend to see what people are really buying right now. I made video on the Self-Trend. Check out the link given in the description. This step can save you from ending up with a pile of unsold products in your garage. Mistake number 2, ignoring the customer feedback. Imagine you are getting customer complaints and you think it's just a one person, no big deal, right? Big mistake. Customers are giving you a free advice to improve your business. So take it. Listen, respond, and fix those problems to turn the negative feedbacks into positive. Mistake number 3, boring product listing. Let's talk about your product description. If they are boring, people are going to buy? No. Make them fun and clear. Use exciting language to make buyers want to hit add to cart. Seriously, use high quality images. Nobody wants to zoom in and blurry pictures, seeing and wondering, is that what I'm paying for? No. Mistake number 4, no pricing strategy. It's tempting to price your stuff super cheap to beat everyone, right? Or maybe you think like, the product is so great, I want to make it premium product and sell it very high price. Both can hurt your sale. Find the right price and the sweet spot where you can find good profit margin, and your bank account will thank you later. Mistake number 5, avoid marketing. If you think like just listing your product is enough, get your words out. Go to social media, run Google ads, send emails. The more people will see your product, the better. Remember, no marketing, no sales. Mistake number 6, bad shipping. Here is the question. Do you think like waiting for weeks for something you buy online? No, right? So think as a customer. Customer won't like it either. Keep your shipping fast, reliable, and trackable to keep customers happy. Slow or late shipping can really hurt your business. So remember that. Mistake number 7, forgetting about SEO. If your product page is not optimized for search engine like Google, Bing, etc., it's like shouting into the empty room. Help me, help me. Use the right keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and image tags, so people can actually find your product online. Think of it as hanging the big neon sign and saying, here I am, come buy from me. People will come. Mistake number 8, not building trust. Would you give your credit card information to sketchy looking website? Neither do I. So customer will not do either. Show them they can trust your website by using the secure checkout badges, offering clear return policies, and getting customer reviews. A little trust goes a long way towards getting these sales. So that's it. Avoid these common mistakes and you will be on your way to e-commerce success. Start strong, keep learning, grow your business. Drop a comment below, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out more awesome tips to help you out in your e-commerce journey. Until next time, keep smiling, stay awesome. Thank you very much. Take care.